Hey there, feeling a bit overwhelmed? I get it. Life can sometimes be a whirlwind of chaos and stress. But what if I told you that just 5 minutes a day could transform your mind? Yeah, I'm serious. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a challenge that could be a game changer, the 30-day meditation challenge. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Meditation? I don't have time for that. But trust me, everyone has 5 minutes to spare. And those brief moments could be the key to unlocking a more relaxed, positive you. So let's dive right in. Here's how it works. Every day, for the next 30 days, dedicate just 5 minutes to meditate. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Start by taking deep, slow breaths. Inhale through your nose, feel your belly rise, and exhale through your mouth. Let each breath wash away a little more stress. Now, as you settle into this breathing rhythm, begin to let go of those nagging thoughts, whether it's work, relationships, or anything that's been on your mind. Picture them like leaves floating down a river, drifting further and further away from you. Each day I'll guide you to focus on different positive affirmations. Day 1 might be about gratitude, day 2 about strength, and so on. These powerful mantras will help reinforce the positive energy you're cultivating. Why try this challenge? Well, meditation has been scientifically proven to reduce stress, improve concentration, and even boost overall happiness. It's not just good for your mind, but for your body too. Lower stress means better sleep, fewer headaches, and yes, even a healthier heart. So, are you ready to transform your mind, to step into a space of calm and positivity? Join me on this 30-day journey and see for yourself the incredible difference just 5 minutes a day can make. Trust me, by the end of it, you'll be looking at life through a whole new lens. Remember, it's not about finding more time, it's about making the most of the time we have. So, let's make every minute count. Start today, because a calmer, more positive you is just around the corner. See you tomorrow for day 1 of our challenge. Let's do this together.